Good morning. My name is Varsha from BSc First Year Chemistry Unit. Our chapter is cycloalkanes. Cyclic aliphatic hydrocarbons or alicyclic hydrocarbons are hydrocarbons which contain closed chain rings or rings of carbon atoms and resemble open chain or aliphatic hydrocarbons. In many respects, like aliphatic hydrocarbons, alicyclic hydrocarbons may be saturated or unsaturated in nature. Saturated alicyclic hydrocarbons are generally known as cycloalkanes. They have the general formula CnH2 and N are isomeric with alkenes. In this chapter, we shall discuss the chemistry of cycloalkanes, nomenclature of cycloalkanes. Common names: saturated alicyclic hydrocarbons contain a number of methylene groups joined together to form a ring. Therefore, they are known as polymethylenes. In the common system, accordingly, the individual members are named by prefixing the number of carbon atoms in the ring before the word methylene. For example, trimethylene, tetramethylene, hexamethylene. IUPAC system. In the IUPAC system, the saturated alicyclic hydrocarbons are termed cycloalkanes. The individual members are named by adding the prefix cyclo to the name of corresponding straight chain hydrocarbon having the same number of carbon atoms as the ring. For instance, cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclohexane. Quite often, alicyclic hydrocarbons are also represented by drawing simple geometric figures such as triangle for cyclopropane, a square for cyclobutane, a pentagon for cyclopentane, and so on. The presence of carbon atoms to each of the corners and hydrogen atoms attached to carbon is taken for guaranteed. For example, cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclopentane, cyclohexane. Nomenclature of substituted cycloalkanes. IUPAC names of substituted cycloalkanes are assigned by following the IUPAC rules which the student has already studied. However, some important points are given below. For monosubstituted cycloalkanes, there is no need of numbering of indicate the position of the group. For example, methyl cyclohexane. For cycloalkanes containing more than one substituent, the numbering of the carbon atoms of the ring is done in such a way that the substituents get the lowest possible numbers. Their names are prefixed in alphabetical order along with their positions. Moreover, the substituent which comes first in alphabetical order is given the lowest possible number provided it does not violate the lowest set of Locand's rule. For example, 1,3-dimethyl cyclopentane, 4-ethyl 1,2-dimethyl cyclohexane, 1-ethyl 2-methyl cyclopentane. If the ring contains equal or more number of carbon atoms than alkyl group attached to it, the compound is named as a derivative of cycloalkane and the alkyl group is taken as substituent as already shown above. If the ring contains lesser number of carbon atoms than the alkyl group attached to it, or if more than one ring is attached to a single chain, the compound is named as derivative of alkane and the alicyclic ring is treated as a substituent. For example, 2-methyl 1-cyclopropyl butane and 1,3-dicyclohexyl propane. In addition to above rules for cycloalkanes, some important points for naming cyclic compounds containing multiple bonds and other functional groups are given below. First, if the carbon chain attached to alicyclic ring contain a multiple bonds or a functional group, the carbon chain is taken as parent chain and the ring is treated as a substituent irrespective of the size of the ring. For example, 3-methyl 1-cyclobutyl but 1 in and 1-cyclohexyl but 2 on. Second is, if a compound contains an alicyclic ring directly attached to a benzene ring, it is named as derivative of benzene. For example, cyclohexyl benzene and 1,3-methyl cyclohexyl 4-nitrobenzene. Third is, if the ring contains a multiple bond and the side chain contains a functional group, the ring is treated as substituent and compound is named as derivative of the chain containing the functional group. For example, 4 cyclohexes, 2 in butane, 1 ol. If a functional group containing carbon is directly attached to alicyclic ring, the carbon atom of this group is suitably included in the suffix used for this group. For example, CHO group is represented by the suffix carbaldehyde, COH by carboxylic acid, and CN by carbonitrile. For example, cyclopentane carbaldehyde and cyclohexane carboxylic acid. Synthesis of cycloalkane and their derivatives. Only methods number 3, 5 and 7 are included in this syllabus. The important method of synthesis of cycloalkanes and their derivative are described below. Most of these methods, it may be noted, involve the conversion of some open chain compounds into a cyclic compounds through the process of cyclization or ring closure. The cyclic compound thus obtained may be a cycloalkane or its derivative. If required, the cycloalkane derivative is further subjected to suitable reactions to change it into a desired cycloalkane itself. First is addition of carbene to alkenes. This method involves the addition of carbene to alkenes to form cyclopropane derivatives. The reaction is also referred to as a cycloaddition. Since free carbenes are too reactive to be isolated, the reaction is actually carried out by using a carbene procedure that generates the carbene under suitable experimental conditions. For example, when treated with diazomethane CH2N2 or ketone CH2 double bond C double bond O in the presence of light, alkenes add on carbene to form cyclopropane derivatives. When alkene plus diazomethane treat in the presence of HV, substituted cyclopropane is a product. For instance, 2-butene react in the presence of HV. 1,2-dimethyl cyclopropane is a product and N2 is a side product. Simon-Smith reaction. In this method, addition of carbene is carried out by treating the alkene with methylene iodide and ZnCu coupled to get cyclopropane derivative. For example, when C double bond C plus CH2I2 react in the presence of ZnCu, substituted cyclopropane is a product and ZnI2 is a side product. ZnCu couple required for this reaction is usually obtained by heating Zn dust with CuCl in ether in the presence of nitrogen. It is believed that methylene iodide and ZnC react to form carbene-like species called carbenoids. For example, this reaction CH2I2 plus Zn give a product iodomethylene zinc iodide. The carbenoid brings about the stereospecific addition of CH2 group directly to alkene. Simon-Smith reaction gives better yield of cycloalkane than is obtained by addition of free carbene to alkene. Third is photochemical 2+2 cycloaddition reaction. This term cycloaddition denotes an addition reaction between two unsaturated molecules to form a cyclic product. During these reactions, no sigma bonds are formed at the cost of pi bonds of the reaction molecules. Individual reactions are designed by writing the number of pi electrons of each reactant in a square bracket. For example, a reaction between two alkene molecules to form a cyclobutane ring by using 2 pi electrons of each molecule is referred to as square bracket 2+2 cycloaddition. Square bracket 2+2 cycloaddition reaction can be carried out easily in the presence of light, but not under thermal conditions. Such reactions are termed as photochemical 2+2 cycloaddition reactions. These take place by concentrated mechanism involving cyclic transition state. The formation of substituted cyclobutane by photochemical square bracket 2 plus 2 cycloaddition of two alkene molecules may be represented in general as follows. When alkene react in the presence of HV, substituted cyclobutane is a product. For example, when ethylene react in the presence of HV, cyclobutane is a product. Fourth is square bracket 4 plus 2 cycloadditions or Diels-Alder reaction. Square bracket 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction involve the addition of an alkene referred to as a dienophile and a conjugated diene to form six-membered system. In contrast to square bracket 2 plus 2 cycloadditions, these reactions take place readily under thermal conditions. For example, when 1,3-butadiene plus ethene react in the presence of 475 Kelvin temperature, cyclohexene is a product. If the dienophile contains electron attracting groups such as C double bond O, COH, C triple bond N on Cl, the reaction takes place extremely easily, sometimes even at room temperature. For example, when 1,3-butadiene plus CH double bond CH2 bond with CHO react in the presence of 373 Kelvin, 1236 tetrahydrobenzaldehyde is a product. It is an interesting to note that square bracket 2 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction take place readily and photochemically but not thermally. On the other hand, square bracket 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction occur readily thermally but not photochemically. Fifth is dehalogenation of suitable dihalogen derivative of alkanes or Freund's method. On treatment of suitable alpha omega dihalogen derivative of alkanes, i.e. dihalogen derivatives having the halogen atoms attached to terminal carbon atoms with sodium or zinc, they get dehalogenated to form cycloalkanes. For example, when 1,3-dibromopropane plus Zn react, cyclopropane is a product and ZnBr2 is a side product. Or when 1,4-dibromobutane plus Zn react, cyclobutane is a product and ZnBr2 is a side product. This method may be regarded as an internal Woods reaction. However, this method gives good yields only in the preparation of cyclopropane. If the alpha omega dihalide contains more than 6 carbon atoms, intermolecular Woods reaction takes place, giving rise to open chain alkanes. Sixth is Decaman cyclization. When esters of certain dicarboxylic acids such as adipic acid and pimelic acid are treated with sodium or sodium ethoxide, they undergo intermolecular Claisen condensation to yield cyclic beta ketoesters. The beta ketoesters on hydrolysis and heating get decarboxylate to form cyclic ketones. The ketones are in turn subjected to Claisen reduction to get cyclic alkanes. For instance, when adipic ester react in the presence of Na, 2-carboethoxycyclopentanone is a product and C2H5OH is a side product. When 2-carboethoxycyclopentanone react in the presence of H2 and H positive, 2-carboxycyclopentanone is a product and C2H5OH is a side product. When 2-carboxycyclopentanone react in the presence of heat, cyclopentanone is a product and CO2 is a side product. When cyclopentanone react in the presence of Z and HgHCl, cyclopentane is a product. The Decaman method is most suited the preparation of 5 and 6 membered ring. Seventh is pyrolysis of calcium or barium salts of dicarboxylic acids or Viscousian's method. When the calcium or barium salts of certain dicarboxylic acid are heated strongly, they yield a cyclic ketone. The ketone thus formed is converted into cycloalkane through Clemengen reduction as illustrated below. When calcium adipide react in the presence of heat, cyclopentanone is a product and CaCO3 is a side product. When cyclopentanone react in the presence of ZnHgHCl, cyclopentane is a product. In keeping with balance rule, this method is used for preparation of 5-6 membered rings. Blank's rule. This rule was formulated by Blanck on the basis of experimental observations of the SAO formation of cyclic anhydrides and ketones by distillation of dicarboxylic acids according to relative positions of two dicarboxylic groups. According to this rule, distillation of 1,4 and 1,5 dicarboxylic acid gives rise to cyclic anhydrides, while 1,6 and 1,7 dicarboxylic acids yields ketones. 1,8 and higher dicarboxylic acid remain unaffected. Blanck's rule can be used for determining the size of the ring as well as the chain length of the dicarboxylic acid. For this purpose, a double bond is introduced by a suitable method on the given compound whose ring size is to be determined. The unsaturated compound thus obtained is subjected to oxidative cleavage with K-4. To get a dicarboxylic acid, this acid is heated with acetic anhydride and distilled. If a cyclic anhydride is obtained as the product, the acid is ether 1,4 or 1,5 in nature. If a cyclic ketone is formed, the acid is 1,6 or 1,7. If there is no change, the acid is 1,8 or higher. The structure of the acid in turn reveals the size of the ring. Next is Thorpe-Ziegler reaction. On heating in the presence of lithium dimethylamide C2H52 and negative Li positive and alpha omega dinitrile, a dinitrile in which nitrile groups are attached to terminal carbon atoms, undergoes intermolecular condensation to form a cyclic aminonitrile. This is changed into cycloalkane as illustrated below. When alpha omega dinitrile react in the presence of C2H52 and negative Li positive, aminonitrile is a product. When aminonitrile react in the presence of H2OH positive, keto acid is a product. When keto acid react in the presence of heat, ketone is a product and CO2 is a side product. When ketone react in the presence of ZnHgHCl, cycloalkane is a product. The first step in the reaction involving cyclization takes place only at very high dilution. It is referred to as Ziegler high dilution technique. Thorpe-Ziegler reaction is particularly suitable for the preparation of higher rings compounds. Ninth is Demjanov rearrangement. This reaction provides a method of expanding and contracting alicyclic rings system through the formation of carbocations. The carbocations themselves are obtained by the diminution of alicyclic amines by treating with nitrous acid. Once formed by the carbocation undergoes its characteristic reaction, that is, first is addition of nucleophiles, second is elimination of a proton, third is rearrangement to more stable carbocation. As a result, different products are formed including ring expansion or ring contraction products as illustrated below. Ring expansion. When cyclomethylamine first is treated with nitrous acid, we get four products: cyclobutyl carbonyl third and methylene cyclobutane second are formed without involving any ring expansion. At the same time, cyclopentanol fourth and cyclopentene 5 are formed by ring expansion as shown below. When cyclomethylamine is treated in the presence of HNO2, carbocation is formed. When carbocation react in the presence of H positive and H2O, and second is H positive, cyclobutyl carbonyl and methylene cyclobutane is formed. Ring contraction. When cyclobutylamine 6 is treated with nitrous acid, cyclobutanol 8 is formed without any ring contraction. At the same time, cyclopropyl carbonyl 8 is formed by a ring contraction. It may be noted that when the carbocation initially formed by the positive charge on the alicyclic carbon, it leads to ring contraction. On the other hand, when the initially formed carbocations carried the positive charge on a carbon alpha to the alicyclic ring, ring expansion takes place. 10th is hydrogenation of aromatic compounds. Cyclohexane and its derivative can also be prepared by the hydrogenation of benzene and its derivatives. For example, when benzene plus 3H2 react in the presence of Ni and 423 and 473 Kelvin temperature, cyclohexane is a product. 11th is condensation of suitable dihalides with malonic ester or acetoacetic ester followed by hydrolysis and decarboxylation. In the presence of sodium ethoxide, active methylene compounds such as malonic ester and acetoacetic ester condense with suitable dihalides to form cyclic diesters. These on hydrolysis and decarboxylation yield cycloalkanes. For instance, when ethylene dibromide malonic ester plus 2C2H5ONa reacts, cyclopropane dicarboxylic ester is a product and 2C2H5OH plus 2NaBr is a side product. When cyclopropane dicarboxylic ester react in the presence of H2O and H positive, cyclopropane dicarboxylic acid is a product. When cyclopropane dicarboxylic acid react in the presence of heat, cyclopropane monocarboxylic acid is a product. Cyclopropane monocarboxylic acid is then converted into cyclopropane through a sequence of reaction. It may be noted that this acid cannot be directly decarboxylated by heating as it leads to cleavage of the ring. Acetoacetic ester may also be used in place of malonic ester in this reaction. For example, when CH2 bond with CH2Br and CH2 with CH2Br plus C2 CH2CO CH3 COO C2H5 react in the presence of T2C2H5ONa, CH2 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 C bond with CO CH3 bond with COO C2H5 plus 2C2H5OH is a side product plus 2NaBr is a side product. When react in the presence of dilute KOH and second is H2H positive, CH2 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 bond with carbon and carbon has a bond with COCH3 and COOH react in the presence of heat. CH2 bond with CH2 with CH2 CH2 and CHCOCH3 is a product and CO2 is a side product. The ketone obtained above is suitably treated to get the corresponding hydrocarbons. Next is physical properties. In their physical properties, cycloalkanes resemble the corresponding open chain compounds, although they have somewhat higher boiling points and densities. For instance, the first two members of cycloalkanes are gases, while higher members are liquids. They are non-polar in nature, such as insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvents. Some of them, such as cyclohexane, are good solvents themselves. Chemical properties. The general chemical behavior of cycloalkanes is similar to that of corresponding open-chain hydrocarbons. Like alkanes, cycloalkanes also contain only CC and CH sigma bonds and are therefore quite inert towards chemical reagents and undergo only a few substitution reactions. It may be impaced, however, the cyclopropane and cyclobutane differ considerably from their higher homologies. This is because the cyclopropane or cyclobutane rings are not very stable and have a tendency to open up and form addition products. As such, they resemble alkenes in undergoing some addition reaction, but they are less reactive than corresponding alkenes. A few reactions of cycloalkanes are described below. Reaction with halogens. Generally speaking, cycloalkanes undergo free radical substitution with halogens at high temperature or in the presence of light. For example, when cyclohexane plus Br2 react in the presence of Hv, cyclohexane is a product and HBr is a side product. Or when cyclopropane plus Cl2 react in the presence of Hv, chlorocyclopropane is a product. In case of cyclopropane, however, bromine and chlorine break the ring system in the presence of FeBr3 or FeCl3 and high temperature and yield open chain addition products. For example, when cyclopropane plus Br2 react in the presence of FeBr3, 1,3-dibromopropane is a product. Second is reaction with halogen acid. In general, cycloalkanes do not react with halogen acids. However, cyclopropane adds on halogen acid to form open chain alkyl halides. When cyclopropane plus Hi reacts, N-propyl iodide is a product. When cyclopropane plus HBr reacts, N-propyl bromide is a product. When cyclohexane plus Hi reacts, no reaction is formed. Addition of water. When heated with concentrated H2SO4, cyclopropane but not other cycloalkanes adds on water to form an alcohol. When cyclopropane plus H2 react in the presence of H2SO4, N-propyl alcohol is a product. Fourth is reaction with hydrogen. When heated with hydrogen in the presence of nickel, cyclopropane and cyclobutane form open chain addition products, while higher cycloalkanes do not react. Reaction of cyclobutane takes place at much higher temperature than required in case of cyclopropane. When cyclopropane plus H2 react in the presence of nickel and 353 to 373 Kelvin temperature, N-propane is a product. Or when a cyclobutane plus H2 react in the presence of high temperature, butane is formed. Or when cyclohexane plus H2 reacts, no reaction is formed. It may be noted that of the cycloalkanes, cyclopropane is the most reactive since it undergo many addition reactions accompanied by ring cleavage. Next comes to cyclobutane, which undergo addition of hydrogen, while the rest of cycloalkane do not form addition products. Next topic is relative stabilities of cycloalkanes. Beer strain theory. During the earlier stages of their study, cycloalkanes containing up to only 6 carbon atoms rings could be prepared in the laboratory, and the rings containing 7 or more carbon atoms were unknown. It was also observed quite early that like open chain alkanes, cyclopentane and cyclohexane are quite stable and do not undergo addition reactions. On the other hand, cyclopropane and cyclobutane were found to be relatively much less stable and capable of undergoing even addition reactions through ring cleavage. The difference in the relative stabilities of different cycloalkanes was initially explained in terms of Beer strain theory as discussed below. Beer strain theory. According to tetrahedral concept of carbon atom bonded to 4 other atoms lies at the center of a tetrahedron, and the angle between any two bonds is 109 degree and 28 minutes. Adolf von Baer in 1885 argued that any departure from this position leads to a strain in the molecule as a result of which the stability of the molecule decreases. On the basis, Baer proposed a theory known as Baer-Strain theory. The important points of the theory are: first is the carbon atoms constituting the rings lie in the same plane. Consequently, the bond angles between the adjacent carbon atoms of the ring no longer remain 109 degree 28 minutes, which is the normal bond angle of a tetrahedral carbon. On the other hand, different rings have different values of angle. For instance, cyclopropane ring is a triangle having a CCC angle of only 60 degree. Second is any deviation, positive or negative, from the normal tetrahedral bond angle of 109 degree 28 minutes during the formation of a ring produces an internal strain in the resultant molecule, which makes the molecule unstable. Positive deviation means that the angle is compressed, while negative deviation means that the angle gets expanded. Third is the greater the deviation from the normal angle, greater is the strain, and therefore the lesser is the stability. It may be noted, however, that the sign of deviation makes no difference. Fourth is the more the stability of ring system, more easily it is formed. Figure 4.4. Baer calculated that the deviation from normal angle, or what may be called angle of strain, involved in the formation of cycloalkanes of various ring sizes. For example, the CCC angle of a cyclopropane ring is 60 degree, since each carbon atom occupies a corner of an equilateral triangle. This means that the angle strain in a cyclopropane would be 109 degree 28 minutes minus 60 degree divided by 2 or 24 degree 44 minutes. Similarly, the carbon-carbon angle in a cyclobutane is 90 degree, as each carbon atom is situated at the corner of a square. As such, the angle strain in a cyclobutane is 109 degree 28 minutes minus 90 degree divided by 2 or 9 degree 44 minutes. The angle strain for cycloalkanes of various ring sizes are summed up in table 4.1. Angle strains in various cycloalkanes. Compound cyclopropane C3H6, bond angle is 60 degree and angle of strain is 24 degree 44 minutes. Cyclobutane C4H8, bond angle is 90 degree and angle of strain is 9 degree 44 minutes. Cyclopentane C5H10, bond angle is 108 degree and angle of strain is 0 degree 44 minutes. Cyclohexane C6H12, bond angle is 120 degree and angle of strain is minus 5 degree 16 minutes. Cycloheptane C7H14, bond angle 128 degree 34 minutes, angle of strain minus 9 degree 33 minutes. Cyclooctane C8H16, bond angle 135 degree, angle of strain minus 12 degree 46 minutes. Evidence in favor of Baer-Strain theory. It is obvious from the bond angles that the magnitude of strain goes on decreasing as we proceed from cyclopropane to cyclopentane. Hence, assay of formation and stability should show a corresponding increase. This is actually found to be so. The assay of formation and stability of cyclohexane could also be justified in view of the small angle strain in its case. The fact that cycloalkanes having 7 or more carbon atoms were not known to exist at the time of Baer's was attributed to the increasingly large strain in the formation of higher rings. Second is Baer-Strain theory could also account for the great reactivity of the ethylenic bond. The double bond was treated as a two-membered ring in which the angle strain is 109 degree 28 minutes minus 0 degree divided by 2 or plus 54 degree 44 minutes. This large strain seemed to be responsible for the reactivity of double bonds. Limitation of Bayes strain theory. Bayes theory failed to explain the following. Assay of formation of ethylenic bond. The ethylenic bond can be formed readily in spite of having such a large angle strain. Stability of cyclohexane and higher cycloalkanes. Heats of combustion of cycloalkanes. Bayes strain theory failed to explain the stability of cyclohexane and higher cycloalkanes as discussed below. Cyclohexane and higher cycloalkanes, mainly of which were prepared after Bayes strain theory has been proposed, are found to be nearly as stable as cyclopentane, as shown by their heats of combustion. The heats of combustion per methylene group CH2 of various cycloalkanes are given in table 4.2. Heats of combustion per CH2 group of cycloalkanes. Size of the ring 3. Heat of combustion per CH2 group is 697 kg per mole. Size of the ring 9. Heat of combustion per CH2 group is 669.4 kg per mole. Size of ring is 4. Heat of combustion per CH2 group is 686 kg per mole. Size of the ring is 5. Heat of combustion of per CH2 group is 664 kg per mole. Size of ring is 6. Heat of combustion per CH2 group is 658.5 kg per mole. Size of ring is 7. Heat of combustion per CH2 group is 662.3 kg per mole. Size of the ring is 8. Heat of combustion per CH2 group is 663.6 kg per mole. Size of the ring 10. Heat of combustion per CH2 group kg per mole is 663.6. Size of the ring is 11. Heat of combustion of CH2 group is 662.7 kg per mole. Size of the ring is 12. Heat of combustion per CH2 group is 659.3 kg per mole. Size of the ring is 13. Heat of combustion per CH2 group is 660.2 kg per mole. Size of the ring is 14. Heat of combustion per CH2 group is 658.5 kg per mole. Heat of combustion per CH2 group of open chain alkanes equal to 658.5 kg per mole. The heat of combustion per CH2 group gives a fair idea of the relative stabilities of cycloalkanes, since each CH2 group yields only carbon dioxide and water on combustion. If the heat of combustion is large, the compound contains more energy and is therefore less stable, and vice versa. It is immediately apparent from table 4.2 that as compared to open chain alkanes, cyclopropane and cyclobutane gives out nearly 38 and 28 kg more energy per CH2 group. This means that they are relatively less stable, a fact which is in agreement with Bayes strain theory. However, the heats of combustion per CH2 group of cyclopentane, cyclohexane and higher cycloalkanes differ only very slightly from that of open chain alkanes. This implies that cyclopentane and higher ring alkanes are nearly as stable as open alkanes. This obviously goes against Bayes strain theory. According to theory, which cycloalkanes having more than 5 carbon atoms rings which be increasingly less stable due to increasing deviation from the normal tetrahedral angle. And next topic is Scates-Mohr theory of stainless rings. To explain as to why cycloalkanes having rings of 6 or more carbon atoms are almost as stable as cyclopentane, Scates in 1890 put forth a theory of stainless rings for higher ring compounds. According to him, carbon atom constituting the rings lie in the same plane only up to 5-membered rings, while the carbon atom in 6-membered and higher rings do not lie in the same plane. Since the carbon atoms in 6-membered and higher rings lie in different planes, the normal tetrahedral angles remains unaltered. As such, there is no angle strain in bigger rings, and that is why they are stable. For instance, Cage proposed the existence of two types of multiplanar or puckered stainless rings known as chair and boat forms for cyclohexane. Both these forms are free from angle of strain and can be interconverted just by rotation around single bonds. Thus, they merely represent two conformations of cyclohexane and cannot be isolated separately. In figure 4.5, stainless rings of cyclohexane. First is chair form and second is boat form. Similarly, 7-membered and higher rings are stainless in nature. Cage theory of stainless rings was further supported and elaborated by Mohers in 1918 to cover the compounds containing two rings fused together. Difficulty encountered in the synthesis of large member rings. It may be interesting to know as to why bigger rings are rather difficult to synthesize even though there is no angle of strain in them. This is primarily due to the fact that two ends of the chain of atom must come close together for ring closure to take place through interaction between the groups present at two ends. If the chain undergoing ring closure is very long, there are relatively lesser chances of the two ends coming close enough for the ring to be formed. On the other hand, what may happen is that the end of one chain may interact with the end of different chain, leading to the formation of an entirely different product. This difficulty is now being overcome by carrying out ring closure reactions in highly dilute solutions. Under these conditions, collision between different chains are minimized and the ring closure takes place as the main reaction, although at very slow rate. But once the rings are formed, they are quite stable. Next topic is bent or banana bonds in cyclopropane, orbital picture or angle strain. According to orbital concept of covalency, a covalent bond can be formed between two atoms only if these atoms are oriented in such a way that their orbitals can overlap each other. It may also be recalled that the greater the overlapping of atomic orbitals, stronger the bond formed. Now, the carbon atoms of cycloalkanes are in state of sp3 hybridization and formation of a covalent bond between two such atoms involve the overlap of an sp3 orbital of a carbon with a similar orbital of the other. For maximum overlap, the bonding should take place in such a way that bonding orbitals point directly towards each other. Consequently, when carbon is bonded to other two carbon atoms, the CCC bond angle should be 109 degree 28 minutes, but in cyclopropane the CCC bond angle is only 60 degree. This means that in cyclopropane the bonding orbitals are not pointing directly towards each other along a straight line. As a result, the overlap of these orbitals take place to a very small extent and bonds are formed, are described as bent bonds, and these bonds are much weaker than the normal carbon-carbon bonds. Consequently, the cyclopropane molecules is quite unstable or strained and reactive in nature. In figure 4.6, figure first is maximum overlap of sp3 orbitals of carbon in an open chain or a large ring compounds, and in figure B, poor overlap of sp3 orbitals of carbon in cyclopropane rings. In cyclobutane, CCC angle equal to 90 degree. The overlap is relatively more effective than in cyclopropane, as such cyclobutane is relatively more stable.